Hi students, good morning to one and all. Today we are discussing the next application, that is 8 queens problem. We can say one more name, that is n queen problem. Okay, what this main intention of 8 queens problem, in the sense this 8 queen problem is to place n queens in an n by n matrix. In an n by n matrix, we want to place n queens in such a way that no two queens attack each other. Listen carefully, ma. No two queens attack each other. Otherwise, no two queens should be in same row, same column and same diagonal. In the sense, ఏ ఒక్క రెండు క్వీన్లు సేమ్ రోలో కూర్చోకూడదు, సో సేమ్ కాలమన్లో కూర్చోకూడదు, సేమ్ డయాగ్నల్ అంటే డయాగ్నల్గా కూడా కూర్చోకూడదు. ఓకేనా? దిస్ మెయిన్ ఇంటెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ క్వీన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ టు ప్లేస్ ఎన్ క్వీన్ ఇన్ ఎన్ ఎన్ బై ఎన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఎ వే దట్ నో టూ క్వీన్స్ అటాక్ ఈచ్ అదర్ వైజ్ no two queens should be in same row, same column and same diagonal. Now what is the solution of this particular problem of 8 queen problem? In the sense, we have some of the steps followed the solution here. Listen carefully. The solution vector indicate letter capital letter x, x1 and so on up to x suffix n. What here it represents? It represents a solution in which where xi is the column of the first row where first queen is placed. In first row, first queen is placed. Listen carefully, ma. The solution vector x, it represents x1 and so on up to xn. It represents a solution in which xi is the column of the first row where first queen is placed. Next, first we have to check no two queens are in same row. No two queens are in same row. First we have to check that. Second option, we have to check no two queens are in same column. What if we have to check no two queens are in same column? Next we have seen the function which is used to check these two functions, which is used to check these two conditions, that is first comma x of j, which gives position of the first queen. Listen carefully, ma. First comma x of j, which gives the position of the first queen, where first represents the row and x of j represents the column position. Listen carefully, ma. First represents the row and x of j represents the column position. Third, we have to check no two queens are in, it is diagonal. Okay, the conditions same row, same column, same diagonal, no two queens attack each other. That is the main condition of 8 queens problem. Next, consider, if you need to consider two-dimensional array. How many dimensional array? Two-dimensional array. Array of 1 colon n comma 1 colon n, in which we observe that every element on the same diagonal, in which we observe that every element on the same diagonal that runs from upper left to upper left to lower right has the same value. Upper left to lower right has the same value. This is the solution. Now if you have seen two more solutions in this concept. Also, every element, listen carefully, ma, otherwise we can't able to understand these key points. Also, every element on the same diagonal that runs from lower right to upper left has the same value. Suppose two queens are in same position I comma j and k comma 1, then two queens lie on the same diagonal. If and only if mod j minus 1 will be assigned to I minus k. Okay, this is the condition. If we have to check these two queens are in same position I comma j and k comma, okay, first position. Then 2 queens lie on the same diagonal if and only if mod j minus 1 will be assigned to mod I minus k, mod first minus k position. Now we have to study how to generate the steps of the particular solution of this n queen problem. First of all, we need to initialize x array to 0 and start by placing the first queen in k will be assigned to 1 in the first row. That is the first step. Second step, to find the column position, start from value 1 to n, where n is the number of columns or number of queens. Listen carefully, ma. To find the column position, start from value 1 to n, where n is the number of column or number of queens. The third point, if k will be assigned to 1, then x of k will be assigned to 1. So k comma x of k will give the position of the kth queen, Here we have to check whether there is any queen in the same column or same diagonal. For this for this purpose the previous position which has already been found. Check whether x of I will be assigned to x of k for column mod x of I minus x of k mod, that will be assigned to I minus k for the same diagonal. If any one of these conditions is true, listen carefully, if any one of these condition is true, then return false, indicating whether that kth queen can be placed in position x of k. For not possible condition, we need to increment just x of k value by 1 and proceed d until the position is found. Okay, next, if the position x of k less than or equal to n and k will be assigned to n, then the solution is generated completely. If we have to check the condition k less than n, then increment the k value and find the position of the next queen. Later, if the position x of k greater than n, then kth queen cannot be placed as the size of matrix is n by n. So we need to decrement the kth value by 1. That is, we have to track back and after the position of the previous queen. These steps to generate the solution of the n queen problem or 8 queen problem or 4 queen problem. Let us see the example of n queen problem here. This is the 4 queen problem. 2 possible solutions are only considered here. Let us see, look at this diagram. This is the n by n matrix. Okay, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 4 rows. Here, what the main intention of n queen problem? No 2 queens are same row, same column, same diagonal. Now the solution vector here, see, look at the solution vector. Second row, fourth row, first row, third row. These are not any queen not attack each other. In the sense, the main aim of n queen problem is to place in an n by n matrix in such a way that no 2 queens attack each otherwise. No 2 queens should be in the same row, same column and same diagonal. And look at the second solution of this vector. I have to place the third row, first row, fourth row, second row. This is the wherever we have to place the queen problem is to place n queens in an n by n matrix. This is the example. 2 possible solutions are possible in 4 queen problem. Let us see the algorithm of n queen problem. Okay, algorithm. Let us take, we have to take some place k comma first position. Written, listen carefully the comment section what I have to be written. Written true if a queen can be placed in kth row and first column, and otherwise it returns false. X of some array function is a global array whose first k minus 1 values have been set up. Absolutely we have to be written the absolute value of r. For we have to check the condition for j is equal to 1 to k minus 1 do. Now if we have to check the 2 in same column or not, if x of j will be assigned to 1. Next, or absolute of x of j minus 1 that will be assigned to absolute of j minus k. Then if we have to return false. Finally, if we have to return true, then close the brace. Next, if we have to place algorithm n queen k comma n, listen carefully, algorithm n queen k comma n. Here by using backtracking methodology or systematic methodology, it prints all possible positions. It prints all possible positions of n queens in n by n chessboard. In n by n chessboard, so that they are non-tracking. Listen carefully, ma. By using backtracking, it prints all possible positions of n queens in n by n chessboard, so that they are non-tracking. For if we have to write the condition for I is equal to 1 to n, do the condition. If we have to place in n queen is to place k comma first row, then x of k will be assigned to first row. If k will be assigned to n, then write off x of 1 colon n. If we have to write the condition, k will be assigned to n, then write off x of 1 colon n. Otherwise else n queens will be placed k plus 1 comma n. And finally if you have to close the braces, and this is the algorithmic representation of algorithm place k comma first row, algorithm n queen place k comma n. By using backtracking, it should be all possible position of n queens in n by n chessboard or in n by n matrix, so that they are all are non-tracking. Okay, this is the concept of n queen problem. The main aim of n queen problem is nothing but we have to be placed, listen carefully, this 8 queen problem is to place n queens in an n by n matrix in such a way that no 2 queens, no, listen carefully ma, no 2 queens attack each otherwise, no 2 queens should be in same row, same column, same diagonal. This is the main intention of 8 queens problem. This is one of the best application of backtracking methodology. Okay ma, if you have any doubts regarding the topic of n queen problem, can you please contact to me. If you learn about the solution and if you learn about the steps how to generate the solution, and we seen the algorithmic representation how we can place n queen, okay, can be placed in kth row and first column, how it returns in a global array, and absolutely it returns the value of r, how the position we have to be seen, how the solution vector where which it represents a solution where we have to be placed a queen. For example also, if we have to be seen 4 queen problems, no 2 queens or sit in same row, same column, same diagonal. Okay, this is the concept of 8 queens problem. Thank you one and all ma.